That hearing actually finished a couple of minutes ago, about 30 minutes ago, and we saw Andrea and Jesus Cardenas walking out of this courthouse. They were present today. That session started at 10 a.m. and I can tell you it lasted less than 5 minutes. It was really to provide more court dates. So they're actually supposed to be back here for another readiness conference in February and a preliminary hearing in March. So I want to get to some video here to show you what that courtroom looked like. You can actually see Andrea Cardenas and Jesus Cardenas. They were standing in that courtroom next to their lawyers. Now, the two face fraud, theft, money laundering, conspiracy, and failing to file tax returns. Those are the charges against them. Essentially, they're accused of conning the government out of a $175,000 PPP loan that was supposed to be used to pay employees during the pandemic. The district attorney says that Cardenas pretended the money was needed for workers at their political consulting firm, Grassroots Resources. Instead, investigators say they pocketed the money for their own personal expenses, including funding Andrea's election campaign for Chula Vista City Council. Now, Jesus used to serve as chief of staff for council member Stephen Whitburn. At the arraignment, Andrea Cardenas and her brother Jesus pleaded not guilty in state court. And since being accused of these charges, Andrea has attended city council meetings despite other council members, including Mayor John McCann, asking for her resignation. Chula Vista residents have also asked for her to step down from her position. Andrea at this point has even submitted her paperwork to appear on the ballot for re-election on March 5th. So back out here, as I just mentioned, they were here about 30 minutes ago. We showed you some shots of them leaving this courtroom. Since then, they have not directly commented anything to the media. They've only released a written statement saying that they will be defending themselves in court. So again, the further readiness hearing is scheduled for February 20th and that preliminary hearing for March 13th. And of course, we've written that down. We will continue this story, continue to follow this story, and we will bring you the latest. For now, that's latest in downtown. Regina Urita, CBS 8.